We do have a couple of other pieces of information we want to share today. One relates to a new effort that we are using, some new technology that the Shelby County Health Department is using to reach out to people by text through their telephones to let them know of a positive test result. I believe we have a graphic about this. So it is self-reported contact tracing interviews. Everyone who receives a positive test result and is reported to the health department with a phone number that we can use to send a text will receive a text from the health department telling them that they have tested positive for, or someone that has given this telephone number as a point of contact for someone who has tested positive for COVID-19, and asking that individual to follow a link that's sent by text so they can do their own contact tracing interview interactively through their smart device or telephone. And the reason for doing this is so we can reach more people more quickly with the information about the fact that they've tested positive, to provide them their isolation orders and help them calculate how long do they have to remain in isolation. Also gives them an opportunity to interact with the survey on their phone, provide their exposure information, their symptom information, the contacts that need to be placed in quarantine, and not have to talk to someone in a personal interview. Now, if people are sent the text link and they do not respond to that link, we will still reach out to them by our contact tracing health investigators. We'll call them to do the interview over the phone. But if they would rather go ahead and do the interview themselves, then they're absolutely free to do that and invited to do that to speed everything up. At the end of the interview, they will have the opportunity to download a copy of their isolation letter and release letter, which many employers require in order for people to return to work.